Hello everyone, I'm Joshua with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to fix bubbles in your laminate flooring. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, we will be using a flat bar, a razor blade, and some adhesive glue. Here we have a bubble right in the middle of our floor. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our razor blade, put it right into the crack of the flooring, and press down. After you get it down in there, kind of tilt it back a little bit. Run your razor blade back, so that way we can work it right up. After we have it up, we're going to take our flat bar and poke it back in there. So that way we can just peel it up a little bit. Then we're going to take our adhesive glue and put it underneath where that bubble is. Now we're going to work the tile back down so that way all the glue goes right out to the end of your seam. If you have any excess glue coming out of your seam, go ahead and grab a rag and just wipe that up. Now you can go ahead and set some books or something heavy on there to hold this down into place until your glue dries. I'm Joshua with Lighty Contractors. Thank you all for watching. Good luck with this project.